everybody. This is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. This is Friday morning at Lollapalooza 2019. We are having Vicki VanGo. And here we go. I'm going to slowly turn around.
Like I said, I DJ and I did that.
Mine's on my t-shirt, I guess, that I had on.
And here we go.
Yeah, there's plenty. I gotta get a job.
Everybody hold up their coffee cups.
Morning.
Morning.
I get coffee cup now.
I ended up being a foreman.
Drinking out the wrong bag.
There we go.
Somebody gave me. I was just saying, yeah, they need all help.
Totally Kathy, she had sent some coffee along, and we're having this Death Wish pumpkin spice coffee. It is fantastic.
I'll save my Lollapalooza cup for tomorrow, I guess. That works. I probably need to make more coffee, don't I?
And yes, we had lots of rain.
We got more people coming out.
And look who's coming to join us. Gypsy pair. Debbie and Dennis. But, yeah. And this is Sammy Joe. She is so friendly.
I don't want to.
Oh, I love her to death. She got to greet everybody.
Yes, she does.
Y'all come on in. Do y'all need a coffee?
No, I'm good right now. I had a little bit earlier.
I'm going to make up some more.
I gotta watch how
Look at this view she's got
fast
over
I
here
start in the
too.
morning.
Okay, let's see a show of hands. Shall I make regular coffee first?
No, pumpkin spice.
Okay.
Pumpkin spice.
You spoke up first?
But look at this view she's got out here. That's the lake. I'd be back in a bit.
Good for you.
I'm recording.
Hi, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Look who I ran into. No, it's Blind Views. No, it's one of my favorite channels. I would say one of the best favorite channels. But anyways, he's here.
Now, I'm going to do another drawing for her, but I wanted to do a quick little sketch to bring to Lollapalooza to give to her here as an early little thing, little something, until I get her real drawing. But
Look what he did. It says sausage poopers. Yeah, that's me.
I couldn't hear what
That's me. Oh, thank you, sweetie.
No
Oh, I love it. It's going to be framed, and it's going to, you're going to see a lot of this on the boat, on the frame. But I wanted him to do a picture with my new hat. So my new chef hat. So we'll get that done. All right. Thank you.